doing all the work.
Like, you know, there are about 6 people in the room, है ना?
विजय,
Yeah.
इससे बड़ा है क्या?
इससे बड़ा यार. Achla had one job, and that job was to order something from fucking Blinkit. So good. I'm so good.
I'm doing all the work.
Like, had one job, and that job.
Chef, Master Chef is dressed up for the vlog. Look, you can't look this dressed up for making biryani, dude.
I'm the most helpful person ever. है ना रूबी? Say yes.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Okay, now.
मेरी फोटो एडिट हो जाएगी ना?
हाँ, अगर फोटो होगी तो एडिट हो जाएगी.
तो ले क्यों रहा है?
ये वीडियो है.
वीडियो भी.
वीडियो एडिट नहीं हो सकता अचला.
It's a vlog.
मोदी जी ने मना किया.
What is enough for you?
हाँ.
Then the other one, I'll start making hunger.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at F. Flat number will not be mentioned because this may just go online. So good.
I'm doing all the
All these people are gathered at my place because we are planning to make chicken biryani. Why are you guys not helping out?
We are helping out.
I
By
cut
not
onions.
Okay.
We are helping out.
But it's not in this video. How would people know that you have helped out?
I did peel the
Peel what?
garlic.
झूठ है, सब बकवास. You not helping out? Why are you distressed? Why are you always upset, Achla? Like what the fuck? अभी तो तेरा वीडियो किसी को दिखाया भी नहीं मैंने.
So that is Ruby.
The head chef.
Ruby is a head chef.
Oh my god.
I'm the head chef's
This
husband.
is homeless person, as he only told. I didn't say. He said. Anything else you did?
Yeah, I'm staying outside the kitchen. So.
Okay.
First, like it's me, Anushree. I'm like the best person here. And I'm like the sous chef, but also I'm like a vlogger. Oh my god, bye. Actually, like commotion here, like so much commotion. I can't believe there's so much commotion.
What is your name?
Anushree,
What are you doing?
I'm doing all the work.
Like
Look
retarded
what
shit.
I've done.
Nothing. You've done nothing. What is this? What is in it?
This is an assemblation.
Assemblation. Okay.
Assemblation of
Okay.
the chickenation of
Okay.
excavation since 1999.
All right. Try something original next time.
Have you
What are
seen
you
that
doing?
video?
What is this?
I'm hanging the curd.
Oh fuck. That's interesting. Yeah. See, that's original. Hanging the curd by rotating it.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself. Just tell us your name.
कौन?
Just tell us your name.
Achla.
What?
Hello.
She is a little shy. No, that's okay. Even if she wasn't, she would not have given us any interesting content.
1080. I'm not.
What are you trying to do? here?
तुमने order तो किया.
I'm trying to.
Is your hand stuck inside, or are you like really trying to get something out
No,
of
I'm
it?
trying to get the long.
Show us what you're getting. Show. Long, yeah. You have to you're putting in the long handle, is it? To get the long.
Just empty it into this,
Yeah.
Anushree.
Oh
That
God.
time I'm telling you.
Wisdom came in late.
Dumb fuck.
How much of a long you need? Then.
So Ruby, I have a question for Ruby. Ruby, this looks very nice. But what did you do to qualify yourself as the head chef of the evening?
Experience.
Experience.
Start learning
Anushri, why do you not have the experience?
I have experience.
Okay. Yes.
Who said?
I have experience hanging people.
Hanging people
Yeah.
by rotating them.
Yes.
Okay.
And shaking.
Oh yeah, you do have experience hanging people. Okay. So Achla. Achla. It was just a basic observation.
Did you mean?
Yeah. So
अरे इतने जितने लोगों से बात कर.
so Achla,
Vijay.
you know there are about 6 people in the room, है ना?
I love how you just.
So good.
I just
I'm
love how you
so
walk
good.
away.
I'm just so good. I'm so good.
I got to give that to you. I have
So-
to give that to you.
But
Late
just clap for me. Clap.
Round of applause.
Clap.
Late.
Ring.
Oh,
Yeah.
My
What is that?
my tear.
Oh.
Here, hair is my teardrop.
Okay.
Hair
Hmm.
is my teardrop.
But क्या हुआ ऐसा जीवन में कि ऐसे आंसू
My God, I look so pretty from this angle.
Okay, this is the time we switch and talk about something else that I have been using.
I have a question for you which you probably can't answer. Is this red Kashmiri chili or is
Okay.
it chili
Tikha
which
lal.
is a tikka lal, like the spicy one?
It is very easy, Anushri. It is red in color. It is dark red, so it is tikha lal.
It's light red, so it's tikha lal.
No.
You're wrong.
Okay, let's change the topic. So,
If you can't take spice, then this should be. Actually, this is lighter than this, Ruby. Look, this spicy.
I was telling you about the Samsung S25 Ultra, which
You have to go get Kashmiri red chili powder.
go,
Where am I supposed to go?
go,
Back home.
go.
Yeah.
What do I have to get?
You have to get Kashmiri red chili, not tikka wala, Kashmiri red chili.
Why the fuck is there nothing in your home?
There were a lot of things in my place, and there are a lot of things at my place. It's just that I don't know. See, ये सब मेरे ही घर पे है. ये सब मेरे ही घर पे रखा हुआ है.
I got
सब
it.
कुछ- सब
is
कुछ
salt?
मेरे घर पे है.
Where is salt?
Salt. It's a good question. Salt यहाँ है. See.
ये salt है.
हाँ.
Okay, thank you.
अरे मेहनत नहीं कर रही यार लोगों को और फिर
There's
कहते हैं कि
salt
ये नहीं है घर में वो नहीं है. See, I have that
Pink salt.
diet salt.
Himalayan pink
I have pink salt. I have diet salt. There's so many things that are salty in life. What do you have to say about so many things being salty in life? Nothing. Okay. So Achla, are you still buying the iPhone?
You wanna exhaust my camera before we eat the biryani?
Yes.
8 liters of chas.
Literally, this is
This fucking more.
that you know.
So I want to say this on the vlog. I want to say this on the vlog. Achla had one job, and that job was to order something from fucking Blinkit. And
There's
and
more.
done.
There's more. We are
People accuse
Oh my god.
still more.
and
I
people
don't think-
accuse me of taking a case every now and then.
Guys, this is.
I think I'm going to make biryani.
I let her be. I let her be for 30 seconds, and this is what has happened.
How many did you order?
10. Did you think that these are small?
Small ones.
Small ones होंगे इसलिए.
पता नहीं चला.
I thought I have ordered one only. I saw it.
And he asked her why is it so costly?
Yeah, I asked her also. like 1000 का क्या मंगवाया है तूने?
अब क्या करूँ? Return थोड़ी ना
होगा.
होगा.
Give me a Blinkit.
I wanted to title this vlog "A Bunch of Idiots Making Biryani."
40-50 की मिलती है.
That's gonna be. We are frying.
Recipe from one of my friends. She's a Punjabi.
Oh. Here.
Lakshmi, do you like people who are consistently low?
Take one. Take one.
One.
One, I said.
See,
Listen
poor
properly.
listener.
Fucking listen
Poor
properly.
listeners. You will make a bad husband.
Good? Happy? Or fuck off. You fuck off.
We're gonna turn this thing off so that we vlog the most important part of the video. Anushri, just take the chai off. Please take the chai off. There's something called aesthetic sense when it comes to biryani. That's fried onions. And beneath that is beautiful marinated chicken. And
My contribution.
so that is Anushri's contribution. Okay, this is what she does. This is called ungli. And
Secret recipe this is. Just put the whole slice. This is the rice, the water for the rice. So you added mint, sauce,
Jeera.
mint, sauce, zira, bay leaf, cinnamon, and
All
some
little
bunch
little
of
garam
shits.
masala for flavor.
For flowers.
One second.
Flowers के लिए हम लोग flower. Okay, so now we're finally putting the riseh into the water. Aromatic H2O. Whole vlog you should just be like this. Wait.
What is this for?
So this is the last member to enter the household to eat biryani. This is Jay, and he has absolutely nothing to do with the biryani.
But eat.
But eat. He's an
I'm
eater.
here for only one thing. Well, two things.
Yeah.
Maybe
He's a.
three.
What are the other two? Drinking, eating,
Drinking, eating, and yawn.
and what? Yawn.
All of y'all.
All of y'all. Yawn. Let's yawn. Action. अगर आप केसर ला रहे हो तो you can get this.
चाट मसाला उठाइए.
हाँ. My contribution. This is Achla's contribution. Finely grinded manually grinded garlic, I mean. And this is my contribution, making Burani Raita. Light. Yeah. One of you lucky people are invited to the kitchen to get a preview of the chicken cooking. Who is it?
I wonder who.
I nominate Jay.
I wonder who.
I nominate Jay.
Fine is Jay.
Oh yeah. No? Lemon chicken. Oh, it's already combined. No.
This is the chicken
That's
cooking.
good.
Now kindly get out.
That's fucking.
Say that again. Say that again.
If you find hair in any food, it's mine.
This is Ruby cooking the chicken. This is Achla cleaning.
Doing nothing.
And this is Lakshmi and all the girls in the kitchen. And of course the boys are absolutely good for nothing.
What? We have contributed to the conversation part of this evening.
Don't cut us off from the ball.
Oh, still here? Oh, okay.
Do.
What?
Do cheers.
You're doing something with my head, is it?
Yes, I'm taking a cinematic shot of you
Of my
talking
head.
to. Yes.
Okay, do this. This is my head saying fuck you.
That was a
विजय
या
इससे बड़ा है क्या?
इससे बड़ा यार है तो लेकिन
पैंट के अंदर है.
ruined the moment.
and I know why she said it.
Hey, think fast. So sad. Think fast.
कितनी बार सिखाएगा?
Recording, okay? Now throw this at me and say think fast, okay?
Do something normal, no?
Anshi, think fast. Again. Anshi, think fast.
Smelling so awesome. It's looking as dhania is so like an enhancer.
Time for layering. Actually, you know what? Just do आधा and put rice. वो equally divide हो जाएगा.
exactly.
Don't do that
That is
layering.
what-
Yeah. Just do it. Okay, guys, who wants to eat biryani with spoon? Raise up your hands.
Whatever. Doesn't matter.
हाँ. what-
Get out. Out. Here. You know the dirt in your fingers add to the taste of the food.
I should have showed mine first.
If you can eat roti with your hand,
I don't need, once again,
Why
I don't
can't
need
you
my
eat?
fingers taste, I trust my wife's hands. Taste.
but she doesn't want to feed you.
I want to feed her.
Then
Well,
she doesn't trust the dirt in your fingers.
you don't
She
know that.
doesn't.
Once again, you don't know that.
You're fast. Ugh. Can someone come here fast? Someone come here fast. Come here. Hold this and come.
Just close it.
बट वो दिख नहीं रहा है. Should I take that also?
पूरा बाहर आ रहा है ना? No? Ready? Ready? Wait.
There is the other
Where's the other one? Where did you keep the other one? There.
Oh, it's smelling so fucking amazing.
We need the... You can put some bottle. Wait.
I'll just keep it.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's tight enough, no? Cake was full tight. I think it's fine. Biryani is ready.
इसका लेना मेरा मतलब.
Don't make that face. You have not done anything. नहीं बचेगा.
2, 3.
I want to do this.
Wait, one chance per person.
Oh my god.
Lakshmi is on fire. Hata na.
Perfect rice I want to put
And
नीचे से
I
अच्छा
love the
मसाला
smell of
डाल.
the saffron. That idea was awesome.
Wow.
देख सी चीज़ें मेरे बायोडेटा में डाल देते.
No, she doesn't.
Dead silence.
Like sometimes.
Only because we are loving the food. Zero silence.
Zero silence.
Wow. Complete silence. This means the food is
Give me some rice. Bye bye.
Yummers. 2, 3.
कि मैं मुझे चढ़ गई मैं समझ नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ ये वो था ब्लैक लेबल चिकन बिरयानी.
And we are done for the night.